Understanding constitutionalism, core constitutional concepts. Imagine living in a country where your rights are protected not just by words, but by a system that limits government power and keeps everyone accountable. That's what constitutionalism is all about. It's the idea that government authority comes from a written set of rules called a constitution, which is the highest law of the land. This setup makes sure that government powers are clearly defined and separated, so no one branch or official can become too powerful. It also guarantees that laws are fair, clear, and apply equally to everyone. At the heart of constitutionalism is the principle that the Constitution is supreme. If a law or government action conflicts with it, that law is invalid. This keeps the government in check and ensures it follows the rules. The system also divides power among different branches, usually the legislative, executive, and judicial branches. Each branch has its own responsibilities and can check the others, preventing any one part from taking over. This setup is called the separation of powers. Another key idea is the rule of law. This means everyone, including government officials, must follow the law. Laws need to be clear, publicly known, and fairly enforced. This stops arbitrary decisions and protects citizens from unfair treatment. The Constitution also guarantees fundamental rights like freedom of speech, religion, and the right to a fair trial. These rights limit what the government can do and give individuals legal protections. Limited government is another core concept. It means the government can only do what the Constitution allows. It cannot act beyond those limits, so citizens keep control over their freedoms. Judicial review is the process where courts interpret the Constitution and can strike down laws or actions that violate it. This keeps the balance of power and protects constitutional rights. Knowing your rights in the system means understanding that your freedoms are not granted by government officials but are guaranteed by the Constitution itself. If your rights are violated, you can challenge the law or action in court. You can also demand accountability from your government and participate in democratic processes, knowing the legal boundaries of government power. Practically, this means you have rights like free speech, peaceful assembly, and due process. These rights cannot be taken away without following proper legal procedures. If they are violated, the legal system provides a way to seek justice and remedies. In the end, constitutionalism creates a framework where government power is limited and structured to protect individual freedoms. It ensures that laws are made and enforced in ways that respect your rights and dignity. Understanding these core ideas helps you recognize when your rights are being protected or threatened and how to stand up for them.